Do you have a bad tooth? Could an implant be the right solution for you? Let's explore. Hey there, I'm Dr. Schneider from Secure Dentures and Implants, proudly serving the wonderful community of Springfield. Today, we're diving into the topic that could change your dental life, implants. If you've ever been curious about how they work, what they are, and whether they're the right choice for you, you're in the right spot. Let's get started. So what exactly are dental implants? Think of them as small titanium posts that are surgically placed into your jawbone that serves as an artificial titanium tooth. They provide solid foundation for the placement of crowns, bridges. Unlike traditional dentures that can feel loose and uncomfortable, dental implants are securely anchored, giving you the freedom to eat, speak, smile, and have complete confidence. Why should you consider dental implants? There are several compelling reasons. First, they look and feel like natural teeth, making the transition seamless. Secondly, they are a vital role in maintaining the health of your jawbone, preventing loss, which often occurs when you lose teeth. Finally, they're built to last. With proper care, dental implants can provide a reliable solution for your smile for a lifetime. Now let's walk through the dental implant process. It typically involves 3 steps. Step 1, comprehensive exam. We'll do a thorough exam, including 3D scans, to check for bone structure. This helps us create a tailored plan just for you. Step 2, surgical placement. Next, we'll surgically place the implants into your jawbone. Don't worry, this procedure is performed under local anesthesia to ensure you're comfortable throughout. Step 3, we wait. Let the implants integrate into your jaw. Over the next few months, your jawbone will integrate and the implant becomes solid in your jaw. This is known as osseointegration. This is crucial for strong and lasting bond. Finally, once the implant has securely fused to your bone, we can attach small connectors called abutments, followed by custom-made crowns that perfectly match your natural smile. Caring for your dental implants is a breeze. Treat them just like your real teeth. Brush them twice a day, floss regularly, and keep up with your dental checkups. With the right care, dental implants can serve you for many years, allowing for you to enjoy your favorite foods, activities without worrying. Thank you for joining me today to learn about dental implants. If you have any questions, concerns, please leave a comment or reach out to any of our Secure Dentures Implant locations to schedule a free consultation. And don't forget to subscribe for more dental insights. Hit that notification bell to stay updated to all things dental. Until next time, take care and keep smiling.